sensor, which is the speed sensor on your transmission. So the transmission speed sensor is right there. That one right there. See, it's green. That one right there. I'm gonna replace that one. But first, we gotta take out this one. All these vacuum hoses, this one. We're gonna take all those. So it's easy for us to take out the sensor. It's right there. Let me show you the new sensor that I got, which is right there. It's green. You gotta use, it says 10 millimeter to take out this thing. Right, let's do it. So now the housing is completely removed. Now you can see right there, that bad boy over there. See the bad boy over there? Right there. Okay, now flashlight. So all you have to do is just kind of like wiggle this thing. Kind of put it on the side. It's kind of like, it's not like hard, but you can see the screw right there. That one is the same thing, it's 10 millimeter. Let's take it out. So for you to take it out, this thing, you gotta need a pliers to take out this thing right here. Now is off completely. Right there. Check it out. Okay. Let's take it out. You can see the transmission oil right there. I'll show it to you. Okay, it's off now, right there. See? It's the bad boy right there. Now we're gonna replace the new one. There it is. old, new. So make sure they have the same. Look at the pin at the end. It's longer. And I think I bought the wrong one before, which is the black one. Like I said in the video, this is the part number 2 of sensor, and right here, as you can see, this one, that's the part number 1. This is a little expensive. It's like it's $200, but you can get it in Allied or something, or any O'Reilly. It's only like 86 bucks. Yeah, dealers are always expensive. Like this one, I got online is only $86, but dealership is $146. I bought. Yeah, I showed you the price of the 140 something. But I just want to make sure that, because it's closer. If something wrong, I can just go back over there and return it. But we'll see. Make sure the rubber is okay. And once you put it in, make sure it pops. You'll feel it. The rubber should shoot in, so there's no more gap from here. So there's no gap here, as you can see. It has to be all the way in. All right, let's put it on. So dark. Okay. It's right here. Let's check it out. Enjoy the video. Please subscribe and please like. Thank you.